Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn determinants together, step by step. Every square matrix has a single number called its determinant. We'll compute it, use its properties, and use it to find a matrix inverse and to solve systems of equations. For a 2 by 2 matrix, the determinant is AD minus B circa. For 3 by 3, expand along a row, multiplying each entry by its minor with alternating plus and minus signs. The determinant of the matrix 2, 3, 1, 4 is 2 times 4 minus 3 times 1. That's 8 minus 3, which is 5. The adjoint is the transpose of the matrix of cofactors. The inverse is 1 over the determinant times the adjoint, and it only exists when the determinant is non-zero. For our matrix with determinant 5, swap the diagonal entries and negate the off-diagonal to get the adjoint. The inverse is 1/5 of that adjoint. Determinants also give the area of a triangle from its vertices, and let us solve a system A, x equals b, as x equals A inverse b. If the determinant is 0, the matrix is singular and has no inverse. To recap, the 2 by 2 determinant is AD minus BC. The inverse is 1 over the determinant times the adjoint, needing a non-zero determinant, and you can solve linear systems with the inverse. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.